Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we'll be doing a special video. Enjoy the view. But anyways, look at this beautiful, luscious, curl, bouncy, juicy. So today I'm going to be showing you how to achieve this style. And these are short passion twists. And I use the 18-inch hair. And I'm just going to show you how you can do the longer version and also how you do the shorter version, which is this version, and different ways of attaching the hair. So this is how the hair looks when you take it out the package. This is one strand, and I have three strands or three strips of the hair combined. I'm gonna demonstrate it on my mannequin, and I take out a little piece of a section piece of the hair and put the rest away. I'm going to show you how I attach the hair. As I said, this is just as how it came out of the pack, and this is three strands. There's different ways of positioning my hand or my fingers. I would have to do a more detailed video how I attach the hair or position my fingers to attach the hair. So here you see I am braiding, and this is the braiding method of attaching the hair. Like, you braid first and then you twist. I'm also going to be showing you how you can do a rubber band method of almost like a crochet. It is a crochet, but the rubber band method. And I'm combing the hair out just to kind of combine it into the mannequin's hair or the client's hair if it was a client's hair. Combining the extension, and I'm twisting. This is a different twist from Senegalese twist. This is like two-strand twist. Senegalese twist or rope twist is done in the opposite direction. But yeah, my mannequin head is not keeping still. But I just twist here when you have a little loose hair like that from the client or the mannequin's hair. You have to try to kind of camouflage it to cover it so it doesn't peek through the twist. So there you see I did that, and I twist all the way down, and this is just the same length as is from the package. So I twist all the way down, and this is just so juicy and bouncy. Depending on your hair texture, you would have to probably straighten your hair if you have a coarser texture, because the hair will just peek through probably a couple days after you do this twist. So you get your hair smooth, you either have to just blow it out and then maybe flat iron, just depending on your hair texture. So you twist all the way down and leave it like that. These twists are so juicy and bouncy. I just love them. But then I'm going to show you how you can do the shorter version, which is the picture, the video that I showed you using this 18-inch hair. So you're going to be taking out the extension. I think I cut like I cut two pieces of the 18 inches and I stretched it. I stretch it so you don't have those blunt ends, and stretch it all the way so you don't have those blunt ends. And what I did after I stretched all three pieces, I just combine it, like it's three pieces. So you have one piece on one hand, one on the other hand, and then you're going to be using the third piece, taking half from it to put on each side or each of your hand, like your right hand. Like, see, I'm demonstrating. I split the three. There's three pieces, but I split one into half and then I combine it, just smoothing the hair out. But this method is also the braiding method. So I'm gonna braid this one and show you. I was a little bit out of focus. My apologies, but I braid it just like I did the first one. I braid it, but this is just this shorter version, as I showed you on the client's hair. So I just braid it, and then I'm gonna do the same thing of twisting it, the same exact position. So once I do the braiding, I make sure I borrow from the middle piece and make sure and combine it in just two pieces. Here I'm just trying to combine the mannequin's hair and the extension so it blends in seamlessly. So I just twist in the same way I twisted the other one, the first twist. I'm just trying to combine all the hair together. So while you're twisting, you kind of try to make sure you're smoothing the hair out and smoothing it all the way. In the next clip, I'm going to show you how I do the crochet method. And you're going to be using a elastic band. It's also called elastic band method. So there you see I twisted it. It's so bouncy, guys, and juicy. And the same way I did that one, I'm going to be kind of stretching the hair out. It's the same, same pieces of hair. 3-piece. I cut the 18-inch. I cut one in half and I cut another one in half. So I would only be using 3 pieces. So I'll be stretching it. And once I stretch it, I'll be doing the separated in half. You'll see what I'm saying. Then I just put the elastic band on this one. And make sure when you put the elastic band, you kind of open the hair and kind of pull so it be a little bit more firmer or taut. So there you see I have all 3 pieces. I'm going to be stretching it just as I did in the previous clip. Stretching it so there's no blunt on the ends. So what I'm going to do is divide all 3 pieces into equal halves, and then I'm going to crochet one horizontally and one vertically. You're going to see me finish stretching them. Once they're crocheted in, as I said, one side or one half is going to be horizontally and one is going to be vertical. You're just going to use the piece at the top to just cover the elastic band, and once you have that piece covered, you're going to find the other section and just loop it. And it's just like doing a regular twist, but it's just like you opening the hair and use it to cover the elastic band. There I am tightening the client's hair or the mannequin's hair so it is taut, not too tight. And if you watch closely, you can see me cover the elastic band with the hair, and then I just make two sides, and then I just twist, just a regular twist. But the three twists that I did, I preferred this one over the other two. The other two is the same, it's just that the lengths are different, but I prefer this method over that one, especially when it comes to the finer texture hair client. It blends well and it holds well. So yeah, there you have it, guys. This is 3 different application. The longer length, which is the 18, I took it right out of the pack, and the shorter one is half of the 18, and that's the hairstyle that I did with my client. I braided it, then I twisted, and the other one is the crochet method, and it's twisted. It's not braided, but it's just twisted from the root all the way down. So I'm leaving you with these pictures of my clients when I was doing her hair and the finished product. Please subscribe. I will see you in my next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.